When it comes to high-performance projectors, few match the combination of brightness, precision, and reliability offered by the VPL-FHZ80/W3 LCD laser projector. Built for professional and premium home setups, this projector delivers visuals that are consistently clear and vibrant, even in challenging lighting conditions. Brightness is where this projector truly stands out. With 6,000 lumens, it projects images that remain sharp and readable in bright rooms or large spaces. Presentations, video content, and data-heavy slides are all displayed with remarkable clarity. The WUXGA 1920 by 1200 native resolution ensures images are detailed and true to life, whether you're displaying charts, videos, or high-resolution images. Flexibility in installation is another highlight. The 1.6x optical zoom allows users to adjust the image size without moving the unit, making it easy to fit a variety of room sizes and screen configurations. Manual powered focus provides precise adjustments to guarantee a sharp image, which is especially useful for large screens or slightly off-center projector placements. Ceiling mounting options make it easy to integrate into professional environments or sophisticated home theaters, giving a clean and organized look. Connectivity is versatile. Analog audio inputs and outputs allow seamless integration with external sound systems or speakers. Multiple AV inputs make it compatible with laptops, media players, and other devices. So whether it's for a business presentation, classroom lecture, or movie screening, setup is simple and intuitive. One of the key advantages of the VPL-FHZ80/W is its laser light source. Unlike traditional lamps, the laser delivers consistent brightness over time, requires minimal maintenance, and has a longer operational lifespan. This is ideal for environments where reliability and uptime are critical, such as offices, lecture halls, or public spaces. Color reproduction is exceptional thanks to 3 LCD technology. Every frame is rich in color and balanced in brightness, ensuring reds, greens, and blues are vivid and accurate. This makes it perfect for visual presentations, professional media playback, and cinematic experiences where color fidelity matters. Single-chip projectors often struggle with color balance, but this model delivers reliable performance across the spectrum. Advanced image correction features add even more versatility. Keystone correction and lens shift capabilities allow the projected image to remain perfectly rectangular, even if the projector isn't perfectly aligned with the screen. This ensures a distortion-free image in nearly any room layout, giving users flexibility in projector placement. Energy efficiency is another strong point. Laser projectors consume less power than traditional lamp-based units while maintaining high brightness, making them ideal for prolonged use without excessive energy costs. Quiet operation ensures it won't interfere with meetings, lectures, or movie watching, keeping the focus on the content being displayed. Maintenance is straightforward and low effort. The laser system eliminates the need for frequent bulb replacements, while the filter is easy to clean. Its design minimizes dust accumulation, meaning the projector remains efficient and hassle-free over years of use. Real-world performance is impressive. Presentations are crisp and easy to read. Videos are smooth with vibrant colors, and high-resolution images look detailed and accurate. Whether used in professional environments, classrooms, or a home theater setup, this projector consistently delivers high-quality results. The VPL-FHZ80/W3 LCD laser projector combines brightness, color accuracy, long-lasting performance, and installation flexibility into a single package. With 6,000 lumens brightness, WUXGA resolution, 1.6x zoom, manual-powered focus, advanced 3 LCD color, and reliable laser operation, it is a top choice for anyone seeking high-end projection performance. For those ready to upgrade their office, classroom, or home theater, this projector is a dependable professional-grade solution. Visit the link in the description to learn more and make your purchase.